Kenya vene nyaboke korwa sebe manyirio nenche nguruko Matilda ubaiwe karasi kitinyariko yasanga asinchira eri ya bene kigma nane kirongo chaka korwa serikali nene murai wensi ya Kenya muske William Ruto nigo anyale gukora okuiwana no murai wensi ya Mozambique omuske Daniel Chapo abubono banyale gukora okuiwana na chinse chiga ibere kiranyale gukora okubwaterana negati yebintu biri batebire chinse chibere kiracho kubwaterana na ase amangana yo gukora obunchoreria amangana yo gusira abasae gusebiegwa ase chinse chiga ibere naboigo namanganande amange anumuno ayokoleta abanyabiasara asensi ya Kenya naboigo nabande gukora ebiasara asenseli ya Mozambique.
I want to, in a very special way, thank you for honoring my invitation to participate in this very important conference where we signed investments into Kenya worth $3 billion in 10 counties in Kenya, from Bungoma to Uasin Gishu to Kericho, Nakuru, Nairobi, Kiambu, Tana River, and Mombasa. Your participation in this conference, Mr. President, has increased foreign direct investment that is going to come into our country. Many investors from close to 10 countries, investors from India, investors from Australia, from the United States, from United Kingdom, from China, and also local investors did participate and signed into agreements that will cause investment in the Republic of Kenya. The visit, Your Excellency, reflects our shared commitment to further deepening the strong bilateral relations between our two countries and affirms Mozambique's central role as a strategic partner for Kenya in Southern Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, our founding fathers envisioned a continent anchored on Pan-African solidarity and collective advancement. Today, that vision is more critical than ever. The rise in protectionism, the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, the lingering effects of COVID.
Nase umoro biriho bwabasahe kugendera kwena na esegeto kwerikia buna bakichukura ime yense ya Kenya nigo uyu kabere mukonye bumurai wense gose uyu rumurai wikema kirigia DCP muskeriga digashagwa anyara gutalira nsemo yabasae ime ye county ya Nyeri na bwigo gusanga nabo chinga kicho nigo nere anyalire kubeka ikirengere kyae asaba Kenya na gotabuna ngweterase abasae kwerikia na bwigo kubwata ebibande buna abakichikura oburayo buya buranyale gutoka asia umatuko arebusio.
We need to register 6 million young people to join the rest of us so that next year, on the 10th of August, we can wake up early and make good decisions for the benefit of this country. This vote that the young people are taking will enable them to actualize what they wanted in June 24 when we had the Gen Z protests. They wanted transparency and accountability. They wanted good governance. They wanted good education. They wanted good health. They wanted a country that is governed by the rule of law. And therefore, they are on the right track, and I want to encourage them wherever they are to register everybody and to challenge each other. And we are also asking parents to help in challenging their children to register. Here in Madeira, the returning officer has confirmed to me that so far we have 105,000 people registered as voters. And myself, my wife, and my 2 boys, we have confirmed that we are indeed registered, and we have updated our biometrics. And for that reason, we want to confirm that the 4 of us will turn up at 3 a.m. at Sagana Primary School on the 10th of August to join the rest of Kenyans in having the change that we desire. The returning officer has briefed me that they require 29,000 new registered voters among the young people, and I have asked the leadership of this area and this constituency to get involved in publicizing the schedule, since the mass voter registration will begin on the 29th, to make sure that they use all forums available to let new voters know where they should register. I'm therefore very excited to come here to join our young people in this great movement of Nico Kadi, and I am very happy to be associated with this movement, and I have absolute faith in our young people.
Mugonyi wa murai asikia magia Jubilee Muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i ni gubono agenderire komochia aigati yichu wizara inse ya serikali yo Muske William Ruto kakumurikira wizara iri yo bocheno ni gatabire muroberio Social Health Authority toraba kugotenera abakenya asesemo yobowenia asenchira ere engi ya busenchira ekwabwatrania abakenya bonse na asensemo yende ni gatabire nonyina se wizara iri yesisemi nigo omuchando ogenderete kwene kiwaroro kubwa mono kiraboro kiwa bali no kugania ko igoro mono ono bataranyoroka koba bakugenda chiskuru ime yense ya Kenya.
Yale mambo yalianzishwa na Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta yanaitwa Linda Mama inafanya kazi hapa Nyeri. Nyinyi mnaona capitation watoto wanaenda shule hapa Nyeri. Kwa hivyo hapa Nyeri mimi nafikiria nyinyi kama sisi mpango wenu ni kwamba hawa wengine wangwana kazi imekuwa ngumu kwao, sasa waondoke polepole, sisi tuko tayari kufanya hiyo kazi. Nionyeshe watu wa Nyeri, nyinyi muko kama sisi wengine. Eti mnasema namna gani? Eti namna gani? Harambee! Nyeri harambee! Basi mimi nimeridhika. Tayari nimetosheka kwa sababu nyinyi na sisi tuko timu moja, tunataka mabadiliko. Mnataka mabadiliko nyinyi? Hebu nionyeshe wale mnataka mabadiliko. Asante. Ya pili, sisi tukiwa katika chama cha Jubilee na tumeungana pamoja na wengine katika upinzani, nimekuja hapa kuwaomba ndugu zangu, sisi tunataka tufanye kazi pamoja na wale wenzetu katika upinzani na mapenzi na umoja na kuelewana. Kwa hivyo sisi hatuna shida na mtu, hatutoi matusi kwa mtu, sisi ni kazi tu tunataka kufanya.
Nekero amaguta ya petroli akageire gokea asichinse ao imeyense ngima nigo serikali insi ya Kenya yanyarire kumanya abakenya buna nigo amaguta arororo aisaine gose nigo yabirike kugura amaguta kura chinsi chesko aisaine arabasa gukonya abakenya ase amatuko alebosio ahega kubwatakana nechisegi chabere chikubwatarania hegati chinse cha Bwarabu eyo yaireire amaguta mange atagose batari gukora ubonchoreria bwe petroli. Mawaziri otenenete nseme yo Muske Opiyo Wandayi nigo boigo abatukire gukuru gitindi guchase abone amaguta bali barorekanire ko bisa amaguta erinde banyare kuganya digori rinyare gukina.
Notwithstanding the stable supply position that I've just highlighted, we note with concern, indeed grave concern, reports of product hoarding and speculative withholding of stocks by some oil marketing companies in anticipation of price movements. This conduct is commercially opportunistic, contrary to the public interest, and is in direct breach of licensing obligations. So all licensed oil marketing companies are strongly reminded of their legal obligation to maintain continuous supply and to release products at EPRA gazetted prices. Let me just emphasize that the oil marketing companies are well aware of the conditions that come with their licenses. and they must not engage in any unorthodox practices. That would of course invite very serious sanctions. At the same time, I must also discourage Kenyans not to engage in any mode of panic buying. It's unnecessary because, as I've said, there was enough stocks in the country. And the government of Kenya's primary responsibility is to ensure that we have got enough stocks now, tomorrow.
Kuirani ase kaunti ya Nyamira musayo mabwe miaka 23 ase irita Gideon Akama nigo agenderete kuronera ubugima bwaya senya gitari enene ya Nyamira magiga yere gutigirwa chingoma chimbe n'abantu abo bagotebekana buna nigo abamanyete buya kigima nakorengana na Gideon nigo abwati chingoma somutwaye ase umunoye ase amaino goseniga umete ase amaino na boigo nonye chinsemo chiae chiansoni igo akageire goitwa na igo ari omwana intakana nekira bono amate na boigo na basani bakubura buna anyare gukonywa na boigo serikali yesoanani ikiagira nigo bagotabuna engana yendemiro nebwateranira sengane
to Gideon nyandaga kam nkansirate alengi nyumba chire sasta twara osirira nchingo nyakori tomura babiri bagacha bakase ngo nyakori ranch bagantenga soka ngotora ko kasoka shiko ango yana akabate umusibero mumuroi Dickson akam akabwata bakasoka onyita bagansiba bakanyiro chiroche ryoka kandenga ndarore nseri omweri bansi bete chingari bale batatu abegi Dickson akama na kaka abangiroje akabwata abegi akambwata okogoroko okobako na kaka akambwata okonokobako ango no yokoro kumakaya kenungo so abwata abandenga yanda roko rense lyo mwali kaimo kigoro ryanga to siga iga abegi akambwata amagoronsa akamita kambwata nda kangaki kenungo sikendo okogoro ngakura ande gaboniga motu ko ngati mechinsa mochana Johnson ko ngati ngoyo nyako ya maino aru etindiko nyaro takuna kendo oko tindiko nyaro gotach tabakwa na serikali kanga wana gimbo na tumwa tuna mbaibori baranshu kurikeranya gita ayo ni bane sirit siya kibutaka otahada tarengo menyata sewa
umwana naretanya gitari gakuruku Gideon Akama ari umuiwone mama mwaboga siritaka mutika bono ninja irite mune kadeni yae so ebangakirite simi Friday Nairobi menyete bagantei yanko yayo kuruku mukayo chiro muitire roche mato mutigire nsabo ntumaite kyako mubuni umwana omisege to motu because twakorete CT scan twakore x-ray kyokogoro na private parts nchiumiete bado ni scan twakorete ko umiso ko umisegete atakira arwarigo iyo takire theater nechibese chinyinge because cash to gotumia nto batisha justice intete no mwana yarwarigo nando ri omoitete abugatu aerese because ntuko ikabonika ntora manyenki bare kobona oyo omoitete gari mo muromi nto yore yanko yaye amo mabo mwana uri no mwise ko minto borongo sirete agatutigera abana bari mwana uri atige tukaromoke 7 years.
My name is Erastus Ndemo. I'm a DK at Nyamira County Referral and Teaching Hospital. So about the patient Gideon Akama, he's 23 years of age, a patient who was assaulted by persons well known to him. And unfortunately the patient sustained testicular rupture and the patient is due for surgery being seen by the consultant. And currently the patient is stable, doing well and is under due medication.
Ekebone to kurukanga attempted murder kyagire gento nande manya saa 5 ya mugasho ali bago goito mwana uyu igo muntu tabwate kerengere yeke igo ntubono twarire buno obisi none chinyumba cyobura licyonse twarangere ng'abantu abonzi amangana acyarigereribwe egere abwanu yanyoro boene buwaye nande nonye tari umwana uyu gweka n'abandi abange bari bono babisete bagwitwa twabarangeri baki cyobisi erinde baherese tubakonye tubaherese ngibabone tokokora nonye nabagwakiri go toko barigeria erinde babakonye abana barobanya oro bene bwabo yaro umwana uyu umi mwana unabara jabe taikura ekina kitwarigire nduga report yo munyagitari tukanyete atorikomerera ngani ngikire egere tobeke chache shi muntu yagende
Ugusaba na Gideon yanyora bwene bwaye na bono tugukurira ikionga chinsa 10 chia bono marogoba kurinde nonyare usanga yo naenda mange ase ikionga chinsa 2 nebo igo chinsa nyechi alero marogoba tubase gusuka ekiagera umurubiro ubwekirorano no so asembio chitagika chinke chiribusio riane Matilda Obaigwa Veni Nyaboke kuru asebi manyererio nere yunuke bakubwatirana na Kevin Ongeri kokoletera chiwichana walio gasenjera engikirano twara marogoba ingia